Well, this was so cute. It looked like one of my little baby box turtles had decided to just get into the water this afternoon, and I thought it'd be fun to just get a little video of him. He's got really neat little spots on his backs, and it looks like he's found a mealworm to munch down on. I'm going to just hold the camera here really still and see if he munches down on this mealworm just a little bit more. There are 10 other baby box turtles in this little terrarium that I've made, but they're all underneath this blanket here. And he looks so cute, I thought I'd just grab the video camera and just do a little short video of him eating a mealworm, but he's evidently a little camera shy. Maybe he'll get used to this over the coming days. I hope that you enjoy this little video. Hey, I can zoom in on him with the camera. No, that doesn't look very good. He's having himself a little bit of afternoon mealworm lunch. Hope you enjoyed the video.